spending a lot of time at home, there's been added wear and tear on our appliances. If you need repairs, don't expect a quick fix. Vicky Nguyen's here with the latest on that. Vic.
Hey, Al, it is so good to see you in person, by the way. Well, the requests for repairs are really coming in fast and furious across the country with backlogs for service calls at companies big and small. This morning, how you can make do while you wait and what you can do now, especially with the holidays right here, to check on your appliances before they stop working. Kylie Smith from New Jersey says when her refrigerator broke in early October, it was typical 2020.
We noticed that our freezer wasn't freezing anymore. Once this happened, we said, of course this is going to happen.
How are you managing then?
We do have a second fridge out in the garage, but right now it's filled to the brim. We have 3 growing boys, so we need the space.
She says it'll be about a month until she can get her fridge repaired.
And that's figuring that when they come out, it's an immediate fix.
Smith is feeling a pain point shared by thousands of people across the country. A recent survey found appliance repair calls are up 39% since the pandemic started. With a lot of us working and learning from home, many of us are using our appliances a lot more often. From the oven to the fridge. Consider this fun fact. Before the pandemic, we were opening our fridges about 30 times a day. Since the pandemic, that number has jumped to 130 times a day. Industry experts say there's a shortage of new appliances and people want to save money, so many would rather repair than replace.
Business has been amazing. It's really grown over the last several months.
Daniel Pidgeon is the CEO of Sears Home Services. How busy are your repair technicians right now?
Right now, we have a shortfall of 1,000 technicians that we're hiring. It really is something unprecedented.
Heather Dyer-Yoder runs Dyer Repair Academy in Richland Hills, Texas. She says people who've lost jobs in retail and restaurants are now taking her 2-week-long course to become certified appliance repair techs. Her classes are maxed out through January.
I have employers calling me weekly. Do you have somebody I can hire? All over the country. All of my students get jobs. All of them get hired before they leave.
Dyer says to avoid breakdowns, check on your appliance health. Look for your manual or check online for how to clean your fridge, oven, washer, and dryer. Fridge coils and dryer vents are some common culprits that get clogged and make the machines work harder. If a repair tech is coming to your home, make sure they're wearing a mask and maintain your distance. And keep your windows open for better air circulation while they're inside. If you're in the market for a new appliance, go back to the basics because high-tech appliances contain specialized parts that can be harder to find and replace.
Find something with less bells and whistles, less Wi-Fi, less computer chips, because those are the things that are breaking and those are the things delaying you're getting your refrigerator back working.
Some tips to make sure an appliance breakdown doesn't leave a wrench in your upcoming holiday plans. And good news for Kylie, her refrigerator has been repaired. Another tip, consider buying a home warranty, even if you've already been in your home for years. Just read the fine print to make sure it covers your major appliances. And what's also great about this, when you're under a home warranty, experts say you might get priority when you need a repair.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. So if you're looking for a good technician, because that's really the key, how do you find one?
First thing, ask friends and family for their referrals. They may have had a great experience with somebody. Then you really want to check the reviews, make sure that they have good certifications, get multiple quotes so that the price is right for you, and then also ask about their warranties. After they're done making that fix, how long is it good for in case they need to come back?
And what if something is broken and you just need it fixed, like going into Thanksgiving and your dishwasher is broken? What can people do?
YouTube is a great way to check and see a DIY repair situation. And also, you just want to call the local repair store. Maybe they'll give you some free advice. Listen, I've got this. I need this part. What can I do? Sometimes they'll help you out.
Yeah. I use YouTube to clear the drain on my dishwasher.
Really? Yeah.
It does work.
There's so many great videos out there.
All right. Vicky Nguyen, it's always great to see you. Thanks so much.